today we're going to talk about one of the most famous animals in the world. I bet some of you guys even have this animal as a pet. In this presentation, we're going to commonly talk about Siamese cat. Did you know Siamese cat is originated from Siam, which is modern-day Thailand. Of course, based on the name. It's actually one of the oldest cat breeds in the world. We can recognize Siamese cat based on their physical trait. Siamese cats are known for their striking blue eyes, slender body, long leg, short, glossy coat, and their fur usually darker on their paw, tail, ears, and face. Again, to be clear, scientific name for Siamese cat is Felis catus, and the common name is domestic.
We move to the taxonomy of Felis catus. So basically, Siamese cat belongs to the same species as domestic cat, Felis catus. So the kingdom is Animalia, phylum is Chordata, class is Mammalia, order is Carnivora, family is Felidae, genus Felis, and its species is Felis catus. So here's the fast fact about the Siamese cat. So Siamese cat coloration is dependent on temperature. You see, tyrosinase is an enzyme that helps in production of melanin, which gives the darker color of skin for humans and fur for animals. So virtually all Siamese cats have mutated version of the genes that codes for the enzyme. Their tyrosinase is extremely sensitive to temperature. It is so sensitive, in fact, that it unfolds and no longer functions at the average of cat body temperature around 38 degrees Celsius. So basically, Siamese cat is albino, but having this tyrosinase making them this unique coloration. So tyrosinase is functional in their extremities on parts like tails, legs, nose, and ears. So these parts having a large surface area for heat to escape, thus resulting this beautiful look of a cat. So here's the fast fact about the Siamese cat. In this cladogram, I'll be focusing on the place for a Siamese cat within the broader of feline family. So this illustration shows the lineage within the broader Felidae family, include other cat breeds and even wild cats. So the Siamese cat are a breed of domestic cat, Felis catus. So domestic cats share a recent common ancestor with the wild cats. The Siamese family is Felidae in a subfamily called Feline, which consists of 8 lineages. We have the bay cat lineage, caracal lineage, ocelot lineage, lynx lineage, puma lineage, leopard lineage, and domestic cat lineage, which we all know that domestic cat and the Siamese cat is the same species. So the other subfamily is called Pantherinae, which consists of 1 lineage called Panthera lineage. To conclude, in this picture, we understand that the family for Siamese cat is Felidae. The Feline is the subfamily, and we can specifically categorize in the domestic cat. Yeah, we can specifically categorize the Siamese cat in the domestic cat lineage, which we all know that the genus for domestic cat is Felis.
The natural habitat of the Siamese cat is historically tied to Thailand, formerly Siam, where the breed originated. According to the 1961 history of the Siamese cat by Carlin Boren, the earliest Siamese cats were protected and selectively bred by royalty in Bangkok, emphasizing their unique traits over generations. These cats were considered sacred and part of royal households, maintained under strict control, preserving their purity and distinctive features such as wedge-shaped heads, striking blue eyes, and pointed coloration. Culturally significant in ancient Siamese society, the document contrasts these royal Siamese later imports from the broader Orient, which often lack the refined characteristics developed through centuries of selective breeding in Siam's royal court. So, while modern Siamese cats are domesticated and found globally, their original habitat was the palaces and temples of Siam, Thailand, where they were bred under careful supervision to preserve their elegant and distinctive type. The Siamese cat, a breed of Felis catus, is historically a domesticated cat whose environment has been closely tied to human-controlled settings rather than wild habitats, based on the 1961 CFA Yearbook by Carlin Boren. Domestic habitat characteristics. Siamese cats were originally royal cats of Thailand, formerly Siam, kept under controlled breeding within royal courts, indicating a highly managed indoor environment. In the United States from the 1930s onward, Siamese cats were primarily raised in specialized breeding catteries such as Rooster Cattery, Virginia, Amdersline, New York and California, Andover, Ebonmoss, and Fairchild catteries. These catteries provided indoor living, selective breeding environments, controlled socialization. outdoor adaptation limited. Although no direct mention of outdoor or feral habitat is found in this document, the emphasis on pure breeding, indoor exhibitions, and controlled lineage shows that the Siamese breed has been kept largely indoors with limited natural habitat interactions. Summary statement. The Siamese cat, Felis Catus Siamese breed thrives in human-managed indoor environments, especially within some settings and breeding categories. Historically, it was protected in royal courts in Siam and later bred in structured environments across the US with minimal exposure to wild or outdoor habitats.
The Siamese cat, scientifically known as Felis catus, is a distinct and elegant breed recognized for its unique physical characteristics and fascinating genetic traits. One of the most striking features of the Siamese cat is its dark color eye mask, ears, tail, and paws, commonly referred to as points, which contrast beautifully against its cream color body. These cats also have brilliant blue eyes, which add to their captivating appearance. A key trait of the Siamese cat is the presence of the Himalayan gene, a genetic mutation that affects melanin production in their fur. This gene is temperature sensitive, meaning the color of the cat's fur can change based on body temperature. As a result, cooler parts of the body, like the ears and tail, develop darker fur, while warmer areas such as the torso remain lighter in color. This fascinating feature not only contributes to their beautiful coloration but also makes them a popular subject in studies on genetic expression in mammals.
The life cycle of Felis Catus Siamese. The first phase is kitten phase, which is right after they were born until 6 months. Siamese cats are usually born white, and like most of other kittens, they were born deaf. After 6 months until 1 year old, they are facing the weaning phase. In this phase, sexual maturity, full physical and mental maturity will be developed on this phase. After 1 year until 10 years, they will face the adulthood phase. Usually, cats will become calmer with this age. Proper overall care are essential to maintain health and maximize lifespan in this phase because in adulthood phase, usually cats will have many health problems such as the liver problem. And after 10 years, common health concerns must be taken care carefully because the senior cats will usually have a lot of health issues. So regular health screening will need to be increasingly important to detect and manage age-related conditions for the adult Siamese cats. Lifespan and mortality of the Siamese cat. The average lifespan of Siamese cat reported between 10 and 15 years, with some individuals living up to 20 years or even more under optimal care. Factors influencing longevity including indoors versus outdoor living, diet, regular veterinary care, spaying or neutering. Some Siamese cats have reached exceptional age, which documented cases up to 30 years old.
Next, we're moving on to the importance of Siamese cats to ecosystem and economy. For the first one, which is ecosystem importance, Siamese cats helps control rodent population by preying on small mammals and birds. This natural pest control can support agricultural productivity and reduce the spread of certain zoonotic diseases. For the second one, economy importance, Siamese cats is a popular pet breed and highly valued because of their distinctive appearances, affectionate nature, and intelligence. Their popularity drives a robust market for breeders, veterinarians, pet food, grooming, and accessories. The cost of acquiring a Siamese cat can range from 2,000 Malaysian ringgit to 12,000 Malaysian ringgit from breeders with ongoing expenses for food, grooming, and healthcare. In addition, Siamese cat also can provide emotional support. Siamese cats often used in therapy and companionship roles. Siamese cats provide emotional and psychological benefits to their owners. Studies have shown that pet ownership can improve human wellness because of their intelligent and vocal nature makes them interactive pets that can engage owners in play and communication. Siamese cats also can reduce stress and provide companionship because of their playful and engaging behavior.
Now we're gonna learn about Siamese cat. Interesting fact. Did you know Siamese cat fur color can actually work as a temperature indicator? Yes, a walking thermometer. This happened because there's a mutation in their tyrosinase enzyme. The cooler part of their body gonna turn darker, example like their paw or their face, while the darker area in their body gonna stay lighter. Another fun fact is, did you know Siamese cat is actually one of the oldest cat breed in the world? Actually, they are known as the founding father of the modern cat. If you have Persian cat at home, you can trace the origin back to Siamese cat. But here's some little sad fact about Siamese cat. Due to the frequent inbreeding, because you want to keep the genetic, Siamese cat have a higher risk to developing cancer. Yep, it's pretty
For the
sad.
conclusion, based on the studies of the Siamese cat, important insights to the unique physical behavior and genetic traits, Siamese cats are known for distinctive color, pointed coat, slender body, and vocal personalities. Genetic studies have linked this feature to specific mutation, particularly in tyrosine gene, which influence coat coloration. Research also indicates that Siamese cat may predispose to certain health conditions. However, there is also Siamese cat that be able to live a long life under optimal care. Furthermore, behavioral studies highlight their high sociability and intelligence, making them one of the most interactive domestic cat breed. However, these studies help to deepen to understanding how genetics influence the health, behavior, and appearance of the Siamese cat, emphasizing the importance of responsible breeding and veterinary care.